Well guys, we made it to the Salt Lake City airport. This is the last travel day for this series. I hope you all have enjoyed. If you have, please leave a comment down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got about a two or 3 hour flight back to Dallas, and then we've got about a 3 hour layover. So it's gonna be a long travel day. I've been up since 4 a.m. I'm ready to get some sleep. I hope you all have enjoyed this series. Enjoy this clip of me traveling back.